What's up guys, welcome back to a new video from Bengaluru, India. So I've been wanting to do this ride for a long time. It's been quite a while. So I'll be going to a hidden gem near my house. It's like a small hill. Not even a hill guys, you can just say it's like a small. So guys, there are two ways to get to this. So this is the main ride which you have to take. Papaya layout. So guys, you can even go by this ride and the next ride. So let me go by the next ride. So coming back, let's come this side. Look at the dogs in the car. Let me go this side actually guys. With me. Oh my god. This just came through me guys. Let's remove this. I heard a sound from a long time. See guys. A little more further. Let me show you. You will come here. This is the main entry. So let's go on top and see the railway tracks. Okay. Let me keep my phone with me. So guys, this is one of the best spots to come, which is near Hormavu, Banaswadi and stuff. So my bike is parked over there, and right now let's start the climb. A small pathway here. This is it guys, there's a railway track there. The railway gate is also over there. Towards that side. Actually not safe for me to come here, but since I had nothing else to do, I've come here to show you all the place. There's a small mini lake down over there with a beautiful view of houses, beautiful nature. See, I can try coming once again, maybe tomorrow morning or someday, but in the early morning at the sunset time. I heard you get a lot of fog over here, which is quite crazy guys. Yeah, you can see my small babies there. Okay guys, let me go back down now. There's a small bird park also there. Let me show you. Bird park. So I am actually experienced to this. It's only my first time coming here. So guys, since this park is very old, a lot of abandoned places, so you have to go through some pathway, and it's not safe to come here in the night times. See, there's a restroom here. Let's go check it out. Bro, this is such a good place, bro. So there's a common restroom, ladies and gents, on emergency only. Maintain neat and clean. This is crazy guys. What is this? I'm not sure what is this, but for now let's go check out the bird park. So let me talk about the bird park guys. There's nothing in the bird park right now which I can tell, but you get see, basically that's the bird cage there. You gotta go down and walk straight. Let's go see it. So guys, before it was not like this and all. Lot of trees have been cut down. That's the bird park. There's already someone has broken it. Yeah, see, it was actually straight. Someone has pushed it downwards, or not pushed it. Maybe a tree would have fallen on it. Let's go that's it and take a look. So we have a better look. We have a better look from here, guys. See, that's the place there. That's the bird park over there, and surrounded by a lot of garbage. But see, if you stay near Hormavu and you want a good place to come in the evening, rest, have a good time and all, I recommend this place for you all. Please visit this place. So everything has been shown here. That's it. I will not be ending the video here. Let me just go back through the pathway and I'll catch you there. So, if unlock the key. So let's go this side. See, lot of speed breakers, guys. It's never safe here. There's a temple as a landmark. So there's a temple as a landmark. From the temple you have to go a bit forward and you will find the place. There's an apartment in Sankalap. See guys, so guys, there's a road over here which will take me back to my house. It's not really safe, but let's try. So we can't go from here. We'll try to go from here. Let's not go from there. It's not safe. Then let's go through the. It's better to go to these roads. So guys, there is a super bike. Okay, you will also get amazed seeing it. Not just me, even you. I hope it's there here. Oh shit! Wow, man. See guys, this is the place. This is the bike. It's crazy. Guys, I just seen some place over here. Actually, even me going to this place so many times, I never seen such an aviary, guys. Let me go. Actually, wait. Let me do one thing, guys. I'll try to come back on the evening time. We'll find the owner of the place and ask them if we can get a tour inside. So I see a lot of exotic birds there. I've seen a German Shepherd dog. It's actually very crazy, guys. Yeah, even we've seen the red color bike, right? The super bike. The TVS Apache 310. So very crazy bike, guys. So guys, the camera view, I just kept the camera over here in this mount over here, but it's not safe. So let's go back to normal mount. I'm back right now. So the reason why I'm not putting the camera over here is, see, there are a lot of bumps, speed breakers on the roads. If I just go right above one speed breaker, something might happen. I'm not sure. It might fall down. We can't tell. So I just want to have a small break, have a few chocolates. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you for the next video. Please subscribe, share, follow. I'll see you. Bye.